Morning guys, my name's Alex and this is my winter van life daily vlog. For today I have planned, well, you know that solar panel that I opened up on last vlog last night, just find out a good way of hooking that up into my solar system and like where I can put it and everything else. But it's my brother's first day out on the mountain, so I can't really miss that, can I? What this means for you guys is today's vlog has no plan at all, and I don't know where it's going to go or what's going to happen. You got me some goggles now? Yeah. Did you? Cool. Yeah, I do need them. A dude named Mike Wood has commented on my last video where I was trying out different GoPro settings and that, to say try it on my forward facing thigh. So I'm gonna give that a go now and see what it turns out like. How you finding it, bro? I'm loving it. Hello? Hello? Oh! Buono chico, okay. It's that time of the week again, Mad Sat. So we're going to the shop to get some Mad Sat Day naughtiness. What's going on? Hello? Whoa!